Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 117 of Building the Batmobile Tumbler. This issue is a non-build issue. There's nothing at all going on in the build stage. So we're going to have a look through the magazine and then we'll have a look at what we got and then get straight on to the next one very, very shortly. We've got Daring but Dispensable. Who's dispensable? DC Rebirth. Batman passed from one of the decade's most acclaimed writers, Tom King. Yeah, he's done some Marvel stuff, so obviously he's drifted over to DC. Here we go. Scree. Back on the big screen. Again, this is 22, the return of Batman in film that even deeper. This is the Batman, isn't it? Yeah, it's what's his face? Patterson. Yeah, there we go. I quite enjoyed it. It was quite good. It was a bit of a different. It was more of a. You seem to remember it more of a detective type thing rather than a Batman type thing. But he is, the detective, isn't he? So there you go. All about that. Interesting batsuit. There we go. Who is the Penguin? He's the Penguin, isn't he? It's Oswald Cobblepot. That's it. All about the Penguin. So yes, we have the right inner tire. There it is. It's another tire, same as the other three that we've got. Basically, a big honking lump of plastic, which is pretty heavy, and that's basically all we're going to do. We're going to have a look at it, maybe put it next to the other one, but I'm not even going to bother doing that. There are no new steps to follow this issue. Please keep the right inner tire safe for next time. We'd like to, however, take this opportunity to reiterate the instruction given on the left rear wheels you've already mounted on the model. In this case, too, we suggest aligning the wheels so that the treads and whiskers face in opposite directions. Yes, so these bits, the twiddly bits, are sort of next to the twiddly bits, and the little bits are next to the little bits. Yeah, it's purely for aesthetic purposes. So yeah, it's just well, you see they've done that, but then on the other side, it's not the same, not lined up as well. So maybe they didn't listen to themselves, unless I'm completely misreading the thing, because it's all the same, isn't it? These bits are sort of M-shaped, whichever way up they go, and on each side it's just big one, little one, big one, little one. So is that what they mean by the whiskers on the side facing opposite directions? Not entirely certain what they're saying about that, but they're basically saying get the big bit lined up with the big bit, not a little bit. So there we go. That is that. So yeah, that's the build. Next time we're getting the other bits, and we're obviously going to be fitting them to the wheel, and then fitting the wheel to the car, I believe. This is the final straight. This is 117. There are only 120 issues in this build. I say only. 120 is quite a lot, but there are 120 issues, so we've only got 3 more issues to go. I think it's basically fitting the wheel, then fitting the base to the unexposed part of the model, and then fitting the little antennas and areas and getting the cockpit assembled. So there's lots to do in the next few issues, but for this one, I'm going to call that a day. So thank you very much for joining me. Stay safe, and I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye bye for now.